Hello everyone, this is Harshal Gopal from and this is our presentation of Real Development. My team members are Amrita, Luti and Harsha.
Hey!
Project reviews, results and outcomes, system demonstration, challenges and limitations and conclusions. When it comes to project review, overview, health and fitness tracker is a web-based application designed to help users monitor and improve their health and fitness activities. The system allows users to enter and track important health data such as weight, height, daily steps, water intake, sleep schedule, calories consumption, and exercise activities. The application automatically calculates body mass index and provides personalized fitness suggestions based on the user's health conditions and fitness goals. It features an interactive dashboard that displays health statistics and progress in easy to understand format. Coming to result and outcomes, this is the dashboard. In the front page and the working of our website. Coming to system demonstration, this is being done by Aditya.
User data, user data and the age, height and gender, daily fitness information like steps, water and activity hours, data processing, the system process the entire information using the data. Health analysis, fitness metrics and performance standards. Dashboard display, students are displayed, results are displayed on the interactive dashboard. User can view their health status, fitness, progress and activity. Progress tracking, user can regularly update their data, monitor improvements over time. The dashboard helps for visualization, progress, goals, and next goals. Next to the improvement.
The data accuracy the system depends upon the user entered information. If the users enter the data incorrectly, then it leads to the not accurate data and the user engagement. If a user forget to update the data, then it leads to the reduction of the usage of the system. And the DBML limitations, which is one considered as a health indicator, which includes the factors like muscle mass and bone density, etc. And data security. As the system stores the data, it need to be secure. And next, device compatibility. As a user take the applications from different platforms like mobile phones, smartwatches, so it need to be ensured that all the applications are available in this system. And next, coming to the limitation, no real-time sensor integration, the system does not automatically collect the data. We need to enter it manually. And next, limited health analysis. It gives the recommendation which is general, but not the medical. For manually data entry, we need to enter the data manually as a steps taken, calorie count, etc. And internet dependency. This application is dependent on the internet. If a user have poor internet, then they are provided with the limited functions. And next, basic tracking. The application mainly focuses on the health and the fitness tracker. Thank you. Next.
When it comes to the conclusion, value is tracking useful application that helps users monitor and manage their life effectively. Allows users to track important fitness parameters such as BMI, daily steps, water intake, sleep, hours, and calories. The system provides a personalized health suggestion based on users' data and fitness goals. An interactive dashboard helps users to visualize their progress and stay motivated. The application promotes healthy lifestyle habits and increase awareness about the personal fitness. It designed with a simple and user-friendly interface, making it easy for people of all ages to use. The project demonstrates the practical use of web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It helps users make informed decision regarding their health and wellness. Although it has some limitations such as manual data entry, it effectively meets its intended objectives. Future improvements can include wearable device